Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about an insurance policy that often gets overlooked, renter's insurance. You may have heard about renter's insurance in passing, or you may have gotten the policy added to your auto insurance policy for the multi-policy discount, but what exactly is a renter's insurance policy? Well, today we're going to talk about what that covers and why it's important to carry. If you're anything like me, you probably didn't hear about renter's insurance until you moved out of your parents' house. I remember moving into my first apartment, a one-bedroom, one-bathroom unit on the third floor. And my wife handled getting our insurance set up. She added auto and renter's insurance, and I honestly laughed because I had no idea what renter's insurance even was. Fast forward to now, after spending some years in the insurance industry, I totally understand why it's so important. So let's start with the basics. What is renter's insurance? Put simply, it's an insurance policy that protects your personal belongings if you're renting. A lot of people think that if you're renting an apartment or house, the landlord's insurance will cover your stuff, but that's not true. Their insurance covers the building itself, but not your personal belongings. So, if there's a fire, a break-in, a pipe burst, all your personal stuff like your TV, clothes, and furniture wouldn't be covered unless you have a renter's insurance policy. This is why renter's insurance is so important. It gives you peace of mind knowing that if the unexpected happens, your things are protected. Imagine losing all of your electronics or your furniture. That would be a huge financial hit. Renter's insurance steps in to cover those losses. Another reason renter's insurance is very valuable is personal liability coverage. Depending on the carrier, you can get coverage up to $1 million for liability. This means if someone gets hurt in your apartment and they decide to sue you, renter's insurance can help cover those costs. Let's say, for example, you're hosting a party and one of your friends sets up a slip and slide in the living room. Another friend comes out of the bathroom and isn't expecting it and slips and hits their head on a table. If they end up in the hospital and decide to sue, renter's insurance can cover those medical bills up to the limit of your policy and also protect you in the event of that lawsuit. Renter's insurance can also cover your scheduled items. These are valuables like watches or expensive jewelry. If something goes missing, even if there's no forced entry, renter's insurance can pay out for those losses that are listed on your policy. It's a way of making sure that your most valuable possessions are fully protected. And here's one more thing that's great about renter's insurance. It's usually very affordable. In many cases, adding renter's insurance to your policy can even give you the multi-policy discount, which might save you more money than the cost of the policy itself. It's practical and it offers protection that could save you from a major financial headache. Alright, to quickly recap, renter's insurance covers your personal belongings, provides liability, and lets you schedule valuable items. It's affordable and it's one of those things that's just smart to have if you're renting. Hopefully this helps you understand what renter's insurance is all about and why it's worth considering if you do not already have a policy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for other insurance related content. If you have any questions or stories about renter's insurance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Again, my name was Ian Mowry. Until next time, stay safe and stay covered.